type idxgoogle.com and hit the enter. Welcome to Firebase Studio, a complete web-based development workspace from Google, designed to make it faster and easier to build, ship, and manage full-stack, multi-platform apps from the comfort of your browser. Then I accept the terms and conditions and let's go. First, click the icon of Android Studio and assign a project name. It takes more time because data traffic Notify about Maisie Tech Telegram channel. Join it for claim more valuable gift items. We drop YouTube Premium accounts, Canva Pro free accounts, and many more. Firebase Studio Preview is an informal term often used to describe the preview capabilities provided within the Firebase development environment, especially when using tools like the Firebase Emulator Suite or integrating platforms such as Flutterflow. It allows developers to simulate and test their Firebase-powered applications locally before deploying them to a live environment. This includes previewing Firestore data, authentication flows, cloud functions, and hosting setups through a visual interface, usually accessed via localhost. In platforms like Flutterflow, which visually build apps with Firebase backend integration, the Studio Preview lets users see real-time UI changes and data interactions. Overall, Firebase Studio Preview helps streamline development, debug issues early, and ensure seamless Firebase integration before production release. Then we try speed of connection Google, then hit the speed test by Ookla. Boom, then I got these results. Now you can think about latency of this servers. Firebase itself does not provide direct access to virtual machines, VMs, like traditional cloud providers such as Google Cloud Compute Engine. However, Firebase services like Cloud Functions, Firestore, and Firebase Hosting run on scalable Google Cloud infrastructure, which is backed by high-performance virtual machines. When you deploy back-end code using Firebase Cloud Functions, it's executed in a serverless environment that automatically scales with demand and is hosted on secure and reliable Google-managed VMs. These virtual environments typically offer fast cold start performance, efficient memory management ranging from 128 megabytes to 2 gigabytes per function, and CPU resources tailored to the selected memory. Although Firebase doesn't let you configure VM specs directly, its seamless integration with Google Cloud ensures robust performance for web and mobile applications without needing to manage virtual machines yourself, Let me know if you want a version tailored for a YouTube script. Then we break down about of idxgoogle.com. Project IDX, accessible at idx.google.com, has evolved into Firebase Studio, a cloud-based IDE from Google that offers developers a fully integrated, AI-augmented development experience directly in the browser. It runs on pre-configured, Google-hosted virtual machines and includes a VS Code-like editor, terminal access, emulation environments for web and mobile apps, and seamless GitHub integration. Firebase.google.com, medium.com IDX, google.com. Central to Firebase Studio is deep integration with Firebase services, such as hosting, Firestore, Cloud Functions, and Data Connect, while its AI-powered coding assistance is driven by Gemini, offering features like multimodal prompting, code generation, and real-time feedback. Firebase.google.com, freshconsulting.com. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the Maisie Tech family for more exciting tech videos. Stay tuned and stay tech savvy.